I mean, talking about Botox, if I do feel that it's necessary and I trust the dermatologist that I'm doing it with, why not?
Once feared, mocked and labelled frozen face, Botox is now as common as a salon visit. Remember when Botox and fillers were taboo?
So we will not say that Botox and fillers, although are natural, yes, but they are not unsafe.
But when it comes to skincare treatments, the Kardashians are very transparent about their tried and true. Even in India, celebs are dropping the pretense.
There's a Botox culture? Wow! From cancer culture to Botox culture.
On Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives, Neelam Kothari opened up about getting Botox. So, what is Botox? When you get a Botox injection, you're basically injecting a toxin into your face. However, when used in Botox, this toxin is purified and administered in very small, safe doses. It's a toxin that freezes your muscle, relaxes wrinkles, and smoothens skin. And today, it's used for jaw slimming, excessive sweating, migraines, and even a lip flip for a subtle pout.
अगर लगता है कि लिप्स पतले हो रहे हैं, फिलर गला देती हूँ, फिलर्स, बोटॉक्स, सर्जरीज भी हैं, तो कभी वो भी करा लेंगे. हाँ, मतलब it's like solution सारी insecurities का है.
According to Allergen, the makers of Botox and Juvederm, 5.5 million people got fillers in 2024 alone. But despite its popularity, Botox has a surprisingly dark origin. In the 1820s, a German doctor found a deadly toxin in spoiled sausages. Yes, sausages. This toxin, later named the botulinum toxin, was the very thing that would go on to revolutionize beauty. By the 1970s, Botox was used for medical conditions like crossed eyes and uncontrollable blinking. Then came the 90s and doctors realized it had a side effect: smoother skin. But there was one defining pop culture moment. By 2002, Botox was FDA approved for wrinkles, and suddenly everyone from A-list celebrities to your neighbor's mom was getting it. But is Botox risk-free?
आँखें एकदम खुल नहीं रही थी और काफ़ी हेडेक हो रहा था. फिर मैंने अपने हाथों से मैं जैसे आँखें खोली.
This woman became a victim of fake Botox in 2024. Counterfeit Botox is a real threat. It can cause severe allergic reactions, infections, and even life-threatening complications. In April 2024, the FDA issued a warning about counterfeit Botox found in multiple states. Dr. Rashmi Shetty, a celebrity dermatologist, explained,
side effects could go any extent depending on which area. For example, if the doctor ends up using it for someone's eye, they could get an extremely droopy eye, very difficult to lift the eye in the morning. So, and that could last anywhere between 3 to 6 months at times.
And unlike fillers, Botox can't be dissolved instantly. You just have to wait it out. In the right hands, Botox isn't just a trend, it's a science.
The only way is to really get to the right doctor in the first place.